Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today video viewers, I will show you beautiful baby diapers cake. These are ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, viewers, are you looking for a special gift for a baby shower or a newborn babies? Our diaper cake is a beautiful and practical choice. It looks like a real cake, but it is made with baby diapers and useful baby items. Today I will share lovely baby's diaper cake ideas that are easy to make and perfect for every celebration. So viewers, roll clean diaper on one by one and tie them with a small rubber band. Stay them into 3 layers and wrap each layer with a colorful ribbon. This simple design always look very good. The second idea is a teddy bear's diaper cake. Place a soft teddy bear on the top of the diaper cake. Add a matching ribbon and small baby's toy to make it extra cute. Another lovely idea is a princess diaper cake. Use soft pink, white, and pastel color decorated with flower, bow, birds, and smaller baby crown. It is perfect for baby girl shower and friends. My next idea is